We're trying to figure out which of the following statements concerning the membership must be true. Well, this is one of those problems where you need to come up with a total number of people, and normally I do 100, but I'm not going to do 100 this time, and I'll show you why. It's because if I multiplied 3/8 by 100, it's not going to be a whole number. My math's not going to be easy. So I'm going to let my total be, take these two denominators and multiply them together. So I'm going to let my total be 80 people, okay? And you can choose whatever number you want. Just choose one that's going to make your math easier. So let's figure out, we're talking about married men and number of women. Okay, so let's see what we find here. Total's 80. So if I do 0.3 times 80, that's going to give me, or that's, think about it, there's something else that make your life easier if you do 3/10. 3/10 of 80. See how that's 8 times 3 is 24. It's what I should have been doing up here. Use the fractional form. All right, so if you've got 24 women and you've got a total of 80 people, so 80 minus 24, that's going to be 56 men. Now, 3/8 of them are married. So do 3/8 of the total, which is 80, and 8 we're going to 80 10 times. So that gives me 30 married. See how nice that was? And so I've got a total of 56 men minus 30 of them are married. That leaves me 26 unmarried. And I had already thrown out number one, number of women in the organization is greater than the number of married men. Number of women in the organization is greater than the number of unmarried men. And 3 says the number of married men in the organization is greater than the number of unmarried. Married is greater than unmarried. So it's 3 for sure. The reason I've thrown out Roman numeral 1, number of women, 24, is greater than number of married. And that's not true. 24 is not greater than 30. Number of women is 24. I guess I could be writing this down. I'm looking at Roman numeral 2. Number of women married is greater than number of unmarried. And unmarried is 26. That's not the case either. So that left me Roman numeral 3. So your answer is D.